Yes, I am just a guy, but it looks like we've got a serious drone problem. We don't know why they're here, we don't know where they're from, and some seem to be from far, far away. We're gonna find that out together. Now, this will be a quick video just kind of going over everything, but click the link in the post and that will take you to Jim Ferguson's space that he held earlier, and it's going to answer a lot of your questions. You don't want to miss it. Now, this drone problem has gotten a lot of attention, even from the president himself. It says mystery drone sightings all over the country. Can this really happen without our government's knowledge? I don't think so. Let the public know, and now, otherwise shoot them down. And the problem with this whole thing is that they're everywhere and they're all different sizes and shapes, and some are even coming out of the water. They're going into the water. So it defies the laws of physics, and I don't think all of these are just some people at home with their hobbies and playing around with the drones flying around, because I don't know any drone that can go out of water. And the thing is that these drones are in the air for hours. A regular drone cannot be up in the air for more than 40 minutes or so. And if that was the case, look at this question right here and the way it was answered by the Pentagon.
Why does it have to be a classified briefing if these are just hobbyist drones, they're not military drones? Why is it a classified briefing on the Capitol Hill?
I'd have to refer you to Congress.
He didn't want to answer it, and here's a little bit from Trump.
It seems like the American people have a big disconnect.
The government knows what is happening. Look, our military knows where they took off from. If it's a garage, they can go right into that garage. They know where it came from and where it went. And for some reason, they don't want to comment. And I think they'd be better off saying what it is. Our military knows and our president knows. And for some reason, they want to keep people in suspense. I can't imagine it's the enemy, because if it was the enemy, they'd blast it out. Even if they were late, they'd blast it. Something strange is going on. For some reason, they don't want to tell the people, and they should, because the people are really, they happen to be over Bedminster. Want to know the truth?
Now, I think that Trump knows a lot more than what he is saying. He is probably not allowed to say it. Look at what he says to this question.
Have you received an intelligence briefing on the drones?
I don't want to comment on that.
And if you think I have gone off the deep end and I lost my marbles, I lost my mind, NBC News is reporting about it.
Aliens exist and President Trump knows about it. That's according to Israel's former space security chief. In an interview with an Israeli newspaper, he said the aliens have been waiting until today for humanity to develop and reach a stage where we will understand in general what space and spaceships are. NBC News chief global correspondent Bill Neely explains this one.
Hi, Alison. Well, this is quite a story, and it comes from the man who headed Israel's space security program for nearly 30 years. Chaim Eshed is making the extraordinary claim that the United States and Israel have been in contact with a group of aliens for years. Not immigrants, but extraterrestrials. He has called them the Galactic Federation of Aliens, and he says President Trump is aware of the existence of these aliens and had been on the verge of revealing their secrets, he claims, but was asked not to do so by the Federation in order to prevent what he calls mass hysteria. Well, the retired general says the US and Israel have kept it from the public because, quotes, humanity isn't ready and the aliens don't want to reveal themselves until humanity can evolve, he says, and understand what space really is. Well, the good news is that he claims an agreement has been reached between the US government and the aliens, a contract to do experiments here. There's also, he says, a secret underground base on Mars where there are American and alien representatives.
Alrighty then. Mind-blown emoji. Where is it? Till very recent, we've only saw this type of stuff in sci-fi movies, but it looks like it's coming to real life. Truth is stranger than fiction. Remember to click on the link when you're done watching this video. You're going to want to hear the space from Jim Ferguson. It covers a lot of topics, and this is one of them. You don't want to miss it. Look at this story right here. This is from a local news channel, and It's
When
interesting.
things like this are happening, it seems everyone starts to look up, like my crew and I have been here in Mendham recording this video that you're looking at right now. We have no idea what it is, if it's a natural phenomenon, because it could be, but this is why so many municipalities are now asking people to reach out and send their videos to them or to experts who might be able to sort out what they're seeing in the skies. But I guarantee there are so many people looking up and making those recordings because this mystery is one that needs to be solved. For now, we're live here in Mendham Borough. Tony Yates, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.
Lee's saying he's wondering whether or not that might be the moon, Tony, but you pointed out it's exactly the question people are asking. What is it?
No. Yeah. Yeah, no, we're looking at the moon right now, and that's nowhere near the moon.
Okay.
All right.
It's not the moon. It doesn't look like a drone. Is it a UFO? Are they here to help us? Are they here to kill us? I don't know, but we're going to find out, I think, in the very near future. Trump's inauguration is coming up very soon. Yes, he does have bulletproof glass all around to stay safe, but if these drones, as some of the people in the space are saying, could be from a different government, it could be very dangerous for the inauguration. And of course, all of this is speculation, but we have to think about the possibilities and to keep the incoming president safe. But also, we have to keep people safe because we are starting to see more and more of these sightings. Some of them are drones, some of them are orbs. We don't know what they are, and it's happening all over the world. Just recently, there was reports that it was happening in the Philippines, all over Europe, and other places. So it is not the US government doing this. And Trump, as he was speaking, he said it. Hey, you guys either tell the people what these are or shoot them down. And he thinks that it's not the government's because they would have been shot down already. And they don't think that it's a foreign government either because if they posed a threat to our national security, they would have already been shot down. So something is going on. I think some of the drone sightings that you're seeing is just to cover up the real UFO sightings. So that when you see videos of a real UFO, people will say, oh, that's just those people with the drones. You're acting crazy. Nothing's going on. Well, if that is the case, just as you've seen earlier in the video from the Pentagon, then why is the briefing classified if it's just people with drones? It is classified because they want to keep it behind closed doors. Either they don't know exactly what it is or they know exactly what it is, but they don't want to scare the public. So they're putting out all these fake drones, some of them might even be theirs, to discredit the real UFO sightings. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Let's have a discussion. Let's see what you guys also think. And don't forget, I'm going to put the link to the space in the descriptions below. So go ahead and click that. You can listen to the space in its entirety. Let me know if that works, as we are on YouTube and that is on X. I'm not sure if you have to have an X account, but try ahead and click in that link, see if it works. And if you have any footage of these things, if you have videos and you have them posted somewhere, send a link down below. I want to see them. I have friends also that have seen drones flying up in the sky very high and also near airports, which they should not be allowed. And these are my friends that took the pictures. They're not very clear because it was very high up in the air and all you can see is a light. But this was near an airport. It should not be there. So definitely something is going on and I want to get to the bottom of it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next one.